Zazoom! Licensed, safe, real, fun. Licensed. Zazoom is operated under the authority of a government license on a platform that is 100% auditable by government authorities and governed by stringent laws on many levels. No other platform is. None. Nil. Nada. This license has been held for well over 10 years and was not issued or periodically reviewed by some pretend country somewhere with one man in an office with a rubber stamp. Yes, it was not a cheap process, and the probity, background, and clearance checks for the owners and operators were and still are pretty onerous. I don't know what that means, but it's onerous. But for Zazoom, it is all worth it for the user experience to be truly fair, truly rewarding, and truly real. Want to play fair? Zazoom puts up while the others shut up. Zazoom gives you world's best practice in action, without the suit and tie. Woohoo!
Safe! Zazoom introduces a unique and world-first system interaction with international authorities and law enforcement to help protect those playing Zazoom from predators, stalkers, and other internet nasties that are able to thrive elsewhere in cyberspace. This proactive approach to user protection is ably supported by benchmark-setting user moderation and user reporting protocols, with the further added protection of a team of monitoring and customer service operatives, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Zazoom strives to remain free from unwanted harassment, free from unwarranted bullying, and free from the general scary stuff which seems to lurk around every corner of this thing we call the internet. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Zazoom has you covered.
Real. Zazoom knows that everyone wants a fair game. No one wants the game stacked against you before you even start. When you play, you want to play with and against real people and not end up playing with some fake bot developed by some really smart dude in a little room somewhere and generated and operated by another computer. People want to play with people.
There are more than enough fake people on the internet as it is without robots taking over. You can be sure in other game spaces that it is likely that a fair chunk of the people you think are playing are actually bots. Sorry if that little fact rained on your parade. Zazoom brings market-leading bot protection, identification, and termination features that are tweaked and changed pretty much daily to always strive to ensure that people are always really playing with other people. Now that does compute.
Fun. Zazoom just wants every single one of us to have fun.
Friends just want to have fun. Families want to have fun. Cyndi Lauper tells us that girls just want to have fun. Even total strangers just want to have fun.
When you really get down to it, that is what the internet is for, to have fun. For the first time ever, Zazoom lets you play privately with family or friends.
Zazoom lets you play locally in the place where you live, or internationally with anyone in the whole wide world. With Zazoom, whether you play using your PC, Mac, iPad, iPod, or smartphone, you all play in the same place.
No one else but Zazoom does that. Zazoom lets you play how and when you want to play. Zazoom will change the way you play on the internet.
Now that is seriously fun. Zazoom. Licensed, safe, real, fun.
Be the first to know all Zazoom has to offer.
Like or subscribe to Zazoom on Facebook, follow Zazoom on Twitter, or subscribe to Zazoom email updates today.